Today we are baking a tasty summer treat,
Bluey Pavlova.
a Bluey themed pavlova. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's do it. The ingredients you'll need for this are
Corn tartar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, white sugar, flour extract, heavy whipping cream, confection sugar.
and an assistant. So we have 4 large eggs. We'll be separating the egg whites.
I'm gonna go first.
You can go.
Oh, go quick! It's not cracking. You hard boiled this one.
Well, let's see if I hard boiled it.
Here's the egg. No. Ah!
Oh no, there's some yolk. There's a shell in there.
I'm gonna pull it out. Fish it.
Get that shell out of there.
More yolk come in. For you. Yeah.
Good job.
Oh!
It's all fun of baking is making a mess.
I broke it!
Good.
Whoa, look at that. Dripping. Yeah. Yeah, I got it on my hand. Tomato. Ah!
Keep going.
Down. Oh no, down broke.
Now that we have our egg whites separated, we're going to put the egg whites in the mixer on a medium speed for about 5 minutes.
Oh. Demo.
Now that we have our egg whites mixed, we're going to mix in our white sugar, about a tablespoon at a time, with a 30-second break between each mix-in.
I done with you.
Put it in, and turn your mixer on, and then continue mixing it in.
Sorry. I need this. Look at that. I have the timer.
You got a timer. What time is it?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock?
Yeah.
So at 1:01 we'll go mix more in.
It is 101.
So mix more in. Doing a good job. Don't lose it in there.
I wanted to eat it.
It did want to eat it. It went, "Ah, ah, 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 ah."
No! I got it. Right?
Yep.
It eats a lot, right?
Yep.
It builds at the same time. Listen. I don't want to lose it.
Good job. Okay, turn up.
Damn!
Now that our mixture is glossy and thick, we're going to mix in vanilla extract.
I pour it.
Pour it in and turn it back on.
Ooh. Relax.
Now that this is done, we're going to mix in our cornstarch and our cream of tartar.
Crinkle tartar.
Cream of tartar! Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There we go. Now fold that in. Fold it in. Now that we folded in our cornstarch and our cream of tartar, we're going to put this on the baking sheet and put it in the oven at 200 degrees. We'll bake it for 90 minutes and let it cool down overnight.
Come on! Come on, keep going. No, you're not going, you. Come out. Found you.
Now that our pavlova has baked and cooled down overnight, we're going to now make our cream meringue topping. To do this, we are going to mix our heavy whipping cream and our powdered sugar into a chilled mixing bowl. We'll do this until hard peaks form. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Put this up.
Put it in. Look it. Yeah.
That. Now pour your heavy whipping cream in.
Now,
Mix that in. Good job.
That's the fun part. Right?
Yep.
I made this in there. That's the fun part.
And then we'll mix that until it gets hard peaks.
Now turn it off.
Now turn it off.
Whoa.
All the way. All the way. Is it good?
Yeah.
Now that we have our cream made, because we're doing a beach theme, we're going to separate it in half so we can do some blue food coloring for the water and some tan food coloring for the sand. So
Yeah.
let's separate some of this out.
Cook. All right. Say cook. How about let's do a little bit.
Like that. And
I need to.
okay. So now we're going to take a little bit of the blue. Stick it in there.
Have to open.
Suck it up. Okay. Put blue in there. Not too much. Okay. Mix it. Okay. Okay. Put this in here.
Too blue.
Not too blue.
Huh?
Not too blue.
Look. In there.
Yeah!
Hey.
That's why we got gloves, isn't it?
Yeah. How did it turn off?
Over there. This one. And this one, we're going to put a little bit of yellow in.
That's good.
Okay, now that we have our sand,
Yeah.
it's time to decorate.
Yay!
Ready?
Yeah.
So, what we want to do is we're going to do a sand and blue, okay?
Okay. Can I do one? Woo! 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 Now.
A little more there. Let me help. there you have it, a Bluey themed Pavlova.
Oh, it's sinking! It's sinking! Really sinking? It's sinking. It's sinking!
Hopefully Mommy got a good picture.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.